I made these egg rolls with just 6 ingredients. Yes, just 6. This recipe is perfect if you want something easy for your family at home, or even if you are thinking of starting a small food business. It is budget friendly, super satisfying, and always a hit. Let's get straight into it. Starting with step 1, boiling the eggs. Place your egg in a pot and cover with water. Boil for 10 to 12 minutes until they are hard boiled. Step 2, let's make the dough. First, you want to sift your flour into a clean mixing bowl. Sifting helps remove any lump, dirt, or particles. And most importantly, it adds air to the flour. This makes the dough lighter, smoother, and which will give your egg roll a softer texture after frying. I used about 2 cups of flour. Next, add your sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt if you like. Give it a quick mix. So far, how many ingredients have you counted? Let's count together. I have used flour, sugar, and baking powder. And I said if you're feeling fancy, you can add a pinch of salt. But why not replace that salt with some nutmeg? Nice idea. Now add your butter and rub it into the flour just like this. Once you have a crumbly texture, make a hole in the middle and add water. You're going to mix this together until you have a dough. Like I always say, add your water gradually. Don't be in a hurry. The dough you want to achieve should not be too sticky or too hard. Transfer it to a floured surface. Knead for about 3 to 5 minutes until smooth. My loves, if you have watched up to this point, please do well to like, drop a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is free. Just hit the subscribe button. Oh wait, let's take it a step further. Hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a video, you will get notified about it. Sounds interesting, right? Oh yeah, back to the recipe. Our dough is ready, and I just rolled it into a log shape. Here I am dividing it into equal portions, 1 for each egg. Now, let the dough rest. Even if it's 2 minutes, just let it rest. This will help the gluten to relax. While that is happening, let's check on the egg. Our egg is ready at this point. You can see from the video. We are just going to peel this and let it cool completely. To make the cooling process faster, why not just drop them in cold water? This will stop the cooking and make peeling easier. All you have to do is just to peel and set them aside. This way, your egg is cooling and your dough is resting. But wait though, is this recipe not amazing? From just 2 cups of flour, you are having 5 egg rolls. Your favorite recipe can never. Steal this recipe before I delete it though. What are you waiting for? Dough is ready to work. Egg has cooled down completely. Let's get straight to step 3. Take one of the dough ball, then use your finger to flatten it out. It is faster to use your fingers, or you can use a rolling pin. Make sure it is wide enough to wrap around the egg. Place your boiled egg in the center and gently wrap the dough around it. Pinch the edges together, then you just roll it with your hands to smooth out the surface and to also make it seal completely. Do you know why your egg will always burst while frying? It's because there are cracks and opening. So please make sure you seal every crack and opening. If not, your oil is going to seep in while frying and it will burst open. You don't want that for your egg roll. So do as I say, okay? All done. Let's get straight to step 4, which is the frying of the egg roll. And the final stage. No, the final stage should be the eating of your egg roll. Heat up your oil in a deep pan on medium heat. To test if it's ready, drop a small pieces of the dough into the oil. If it rises to the top gradually and start bubbling, then your oil is ready. Now gently lower your egg rolls into the oil. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry on low to medium heat, turning occasionally so that all sides are evenly cooked. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes. Please, I beg you, don't rush the frying process. Ensure you are frying on low to medium heat. Too much heat will make the outside brown too quickly, leaving the inside doughy. And there you have it, crispy golden Nigerian egg roll with just 6 simple ingredients. Whether you're making this for your family at home or planning to sell this as part of food hustle, this recipe got you covered. It is budget friendly, easy to scale, and always a crowd pleaser. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.